Hmm? Come in. Listener? Hey, what are you doing here? I miss you too. I was just thinking about you too. Yeah, of course. You're my best friend. Are you spending the night here? Yeah? Why'd you say it like that? What's wrong? Hey, you look a little bummed out. What's wrong? You wanna talk to me? Okay. Here. You can sit on my bed if you want. What was I doing? Pretty much I wasn't really doing anything. I was just playing with my toys. Yeah, my auntie, she was just watching TV with her best friend. Yeah. So what's wrong? You're stressed out? Why? What's wrong? Did anything happen at home? Or what? Listener? Hey. Shh. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Here, come here. Shh. It's okay. Sorry. Shh. Here, let it all out. It's fine. I'm here for you. It's okay. Hey, shh. Hey, calm down. You're shaking. Calm down. Shh. It's okay. Here, listener, look at me. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep going. Not so fast, okay? It's okay. You got this. Are you okay? Here's some tissue. And here's my frog plushie if you wanna hold him. His name is Sleepy, by the way. Yeah. He makes me feel better whenever I'm feeling sad or down, you know? He always helps me. So, if he helps me, if he helps Killua, then he can help you too. Here. I'll get you some tissue, okay? Okay, stay right here. Tissue. Where are you, tissue? Where are you? Oh, got it. Here. Wipe your face. Too pretty to cry. Are you okay? Here. You can hold Leapy while you talk to me. What's been going on? You say you were stressed out, but what are you stressed out about? Oh. Is school and home? Okay, now, what about what's wrong with home? Is it family, the household, or what's wrong? Mm-hmm. Oh. I'm so sorry to hear that. Listener, I'm really sorry that you have to be in that household with all this drama. Now, what about school? Is it the work, friends, or... Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. I understand. 100%. Trust me, I really do. Yes, school can be hard, and of course, friends you know, really aren't really your friends. And then the household, of course some people have arguments with their family. Trust me, it happens to some people. But that doesn't mean that they don't love you. You may feel like that, but it's not true. You feel like people don't care about you? No, don't say that, listener. That's not true. I care about you. Kilua cares about you. And Aluka cares about you. We're your best friends. Yeah. Even Amiro cares about you. She says it herself to me. She says that how you're a great best friend to me, and that you're very kind, you're very pretty, and you're very respectful. And you never let me down. I'm not saying that because I'm your best friend, but I hope you understand, and I hope you realize that you're the most amazing, most sweetest person ever, listener. I don't want you to feel that you're not good enough. You're good enough in my eyes, and of course Kiowa, because, well, he kinda has a crush on you. But don't tell him that I told you, okay? Yeah, I know, it's shocking, but he really does. You never left his side. You always been there for him when he's at his lowest, or when he's not at his lowest. Basically, you're just there for him every time, including me and Aluka. That's a good friend, listener, and you are the type of person. Don't forget that. But even though you may feel like you barely have enough people to be there for you, if that makes any sense, I don't know. As long as you have me, Kilua, Aluka, and Milo, we're always here for you. Forget what them other people say to you. And forget what other people thinks of you. You're perfect, listener. I'm serious. But I don't even have that much people in my life, too. I just have my auntie, Kilua, Aluka, and you. But I mean, who knows if we might have people in our life in the future. Who knows if I might get a girlfriend in the future? Or who knows if you might get a boyfriend in the future, or a girlfriend? But who knows if you and Kilua might get together? But I mean, I can see you two get together. You guys would be very cute together. You two do deserve each other, you know? Yeah. Seriously. There goes a smile. I really love you, listener. A lot. You're an amazing best friend to me. Yeah. But not just me. It's Aluka and Kilua. Aluka, she really looks up to you. Like you're her sibling. You and her could be like siblings. Like with me and you. Me and you could be like siblings. Yeah, you're family, listener. You're more than just a friend / best friend. Your family. Even Amiro says that you're family. Yeah. But with Aluka, she really looks up to you. And she loves you. And we do too. Me, Kilwa, and Amiro, we love you. And trust me, there's plenty of people that you know who loves you. It may not look like it, but they do. But except for the people who, went out of your life, if that makes any sense. But we're not going to talk about those negative people. You're enough, listener. And don't change for anyone. You're perfect just the way you are. As a best friend, I'm telling you the truth. Yeah. This is not about me right now, but I feel the exact same way. Even Kilua does. Especially Aluka. With me, my mom and my dad isn't in my life. I don't even know who my mama is. I never met her before, and then with my dad, I haven't really seen him. And then with Kilua, his childhood was a living hell. Pretty much it's a lot of people who did him dirty. But when we first met each other, me and Kilua, we just been happy. Been living our best life. And then with Aluka, people hasn't really communicated with her that much. Until her and Kilua started talking and began to bond with each other. That's a good thing. And then me and Aluka, we started talking for a little bit until, I had to leave. I had to go home. Until I decided to come back to see Kilua. But I ended up seeing you here on the island until Amiro decided to move to California, and me, you, Luca, and Kilwa decided to go with her so we can, bond even more. Yeah. But I'm just glad that all of us are close. Because like I said, we're like family. But back to you. Don't ever feel like that you're not enough, because you are enough, listener. See, there goes a smile. I don't like seeing you sad. Neither does Kilwa, Aluka, and Auntie. We love seeing you happy. And you have a gorgeous smile, listener. You really do. You may not realize, or you may do realize, but it's true. Here, come here. I'm so glad that we're best friends. I really am. I just hope that we'll continue to be best friends in the future. Because I really like being your friend, listener. I really like being your best friend. I really do. And then, of course, it's not just me. But Kilwa does too. But he also likes you in that way. And to be honest, Kilwa isn't really the type of person who will look at people in that way, but from what I know of, you're the first person he ever looks up to in that way, you know? And it's very shocking. I haven't really expected that until he told me, but it's obvious. Yeah, it really is. But hey, you two would be so cute. I'm just wondering imagine if I had a girlfriend. You know, good personality, who's always there, beautiful. Well, I don't really go by looks. I go by personality. Nice and sweet personality. Yeah. To be honest, I don't really look at the girls in that way at our school, to be honest. Yeah. I mean, we're friends. I have a lot of friends. But looking at them in that way, nah. Not me. Maybe when we're older, then we'll see where it goes. Yeah. You know what I wish for, listener? I wish that if I ever have a girlfriend, you and her would get along, including Kilo and Luca, and I just wish that all of us could live in a house together and, you know, spend time with each other. Yeah. I really wish that. I really do. But mostly, I'm just hoping that me, you, Kilo, and Aluka can continue to be best friends. Aluka's like my little sister. I don't have any siblings from what I know of, but pretty much it feels like you are my sibling, Kilo's like my brother, and Aluka's my little sister. But pretty much I'm older. Yeah. But hey, as long as I have you guys, then life is great. Yes, all of us has been going through a lot, but we're so strong. And we never give up. And I don't want you to give up either. No, of course not. If you ever gave up, I wouldn't be the same. Neither does Killua or Luca. Life isn't the same without you, listener. Yeah. Just promise me you won't give up. Pinky promise? I appreciate you being here for me. No. Thank you for being an amazing friend to me. Yeah. Hey, you look tired. How long have you planned on staying here? Oh, you're going home tomorrow. Did you bring extra clothes with you? Okay, good, because I was going to ask Auntie if maybe you can stay another night here. Because I don't really want you to go home and, you have to deal with all that. How about you can take a break from home? You can stay here for 2 days. And then if you feel like you want to go back home, then you can. Or if you want to stay here a little longer, we can drop you off back home and, just pack you some more pair of clothes. Yeah. I would call Kilo and ask him, does he want to come here? But I'm pretty sure he's asleep by now. I'm not really sure. But we'll just leave him alone. But it could just be me and you, Ty. Yeah. Should we ask Auntie, can you stay another night just to get on out the way? Hopefully she says yes though. Okay. Here, you could bring Leapy with you. Okay. Race you.